That's legit gonna scream and holler at us.
Start
if you guys
recording,
come back down.
please.
You know what that's gonna scream and holler at us if you guys come back down. So I'd advise you get the. I'd advise you get off.
No.
Get off.
No.
That's how you're gonna die.
No. Are you sure about that? See, I'm here.
No, 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 no. No!
No, it's like spotting for you. Are you filming again?
Yes, you feel me? But you got to get off soon.
Okay.
You gotta get off soon. Okay, we're going.
A couple of minutes.
If Dad comes down again, you're in trouble.
I
We're in trouble. I think he's coming. Get off. Come on, get off.
I'm almost done.
Hi,
You got way more much time than me. I said way more much.
So you wanna know what time it
Ooh,
is?
I'm gonna break that.
It's 10:35 Atlantic time.
Oh. Reactor broken.
Cameron, you gotta get off. Cameron.
I'm getting out.
Get off.
Fine. Just let me break some long distance shots, baby. Can I break the rock? No. Oh, there's also a temple over there. I'm just gonna go break that real quick, please.
No.
It'll be really quick. I really like these chemicals. I wish I could play more of it, but hey, we're going out back tomorrow to go to Toronto.
Oh yeah. No, we're not going out. We're going through. Same place we got.
Throw, and then we're going to Halifax.
Oh crap! I gotta take a clap.
Okay. I'll finish it off with an asteroid strike. Destroy everything!
Millions and millions and millions. You gotta crash. Fix the game's gonna crash.
It won't. Just finishing.
I thought he was actually gonna crash the game for a second.
I did.
Because of how many asteroids you just sent. Oh my god. It's a crap ton of asteroids.
Am I gonna land on that? Because if I am, wait, no, I don't want to die.
Well, you're gonna have to.
Fly, fly, fly. Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna let myself be killed. Goodbye, me. I'm dead. I see red, but I'm not dead. So I'm just gonna die, okay? If I can get out of this water. Are the asteroids still striking? How deep am I?
Oh, that's gotta be all for now anyway.
Yeah, I have no idea what
Bye,
I just
Cam
did.
Fam.